Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Shopify email app step by step. Open Shopify admin and go to marketing, then email to start a new campaign. Pick a template that matches your brand, set sender details, and name the campaign clearly. Add or create audience segments, preview the message on desktop and mobile, and schedule or send immediately based on your marketing calendar. Designing your email should be quick and consistent. Replace placeholder images with real product photos, adjust text blocks, and pick a clear call to action like Shop Now. Keep subject lines short and use a compelling preheader to boost opens. Insert product blocks for featured items and personalize greetings with customer tags to increase relevance and conversions while keeping the layout mobile-friendly. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is perfect for long setup sessions, holds plenty of water, and minimizes desk spills while you build email campaigns. I use it during testing, and it keeps me focused between sends. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Always test before you send to avoid mistakes. Send previews to multiple devices, check all links and tracking pixels, and confirm unsubscribe and footer details. Set frequency and timing that match your audience habits, then schedule or send immediately. After sending, review delivery, open, click, and revenue metrics to learn what works and iterate for your next campaign with small improvements each time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.